Hello everyone. So today for this mini lab, I will be researching, setting up, and doing the lab project with Google Maps API. Uh, this is pretty much a working PHP document with JavaScript in it, which collects the user's IP address and browser information. First of all, I did go on the IP Google serialized PHP code that they give you, and what do you do? Pretty much just copy this whole PHP code and just put it in a text file or Notepad++ and just convert it to PHP. And then you go in the PHP to get the browser cap. Now the browser cap is what instantiates all the different variables and is passed through either an echo statement where you spit out the user's IP address and location information. Another way to get you have to get a key from the Google Maps API to create your marker. So over here is my working database website, and this is the information we collected. We're in Frostburg, Maryland, and we're using the University of Maryland IP address, so that's why it's putting that information. And over here is where the marker is located. Now, when you go to your code, you have to get a key from this website, from this key Google Map marker website, where you get a key, and that allows you to at least pinpoint the exact location on your IP address. So right here in your code, you get your key and you insert it right here down here where you got the key for the code for the geolocation in here. Exactly. So right here, as you get your key, you type it right here, starting from right before where the cursor is on, right here, right after the equal sign, and just paste down your IP location key you got from Google. Another thing to point out is that another issue, I had a couple issues on this project because I started using VMware, and we figured we weren't connecting on the school's network. So using Microsoft Azure, we were able to create a dashboard, and from there you just sync it or link it up, connect the ports on FileZilla, and there you go. Is where you would insert that index.php file, because that's how Microsoft Azure collects information using that dashboard. A good way to use this database storage system would be to collect data information about a person once they're logged in your website, or once they land on your website. It tells you exactly where they are, and it stores that information in your database system right here. So each time a user goes in here and is fetching data information, if you refresh the browser and you're in a different location, it will spit out what that longitude and latitude information is. And over here in my code, I will show you exactly where that is. Right here. You give the variables latitude and longitude and just equal shout that out, and that spits out on the map and exactly tells you where the marker is in that location. Issues I had with this project, it was I couldn't get the server to connect, and that was mainly on a coding issue. So I try to create like a different text .php file to run the code all over again, but pretty much what the issue was just a semicolon and a couple braces to close the code section of this project. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. So this is my project on IP API, and this is my server, database server. Thank you.